Trump is accused of stealing classified military secrets, lying about it, and showing classified documents to his friends. Prosecutors say those documents had details on the defense capabilities of the U.S. and its allies, as well as nuclear plans. Special counsel Jack Smith detailing the charges, which include unlawful retention of national defense information, obstruction, conspiracy, and false statements. The indictment included photos of boxes stashed in different rooms around Trump's estate, some in bathrooms and some within areas open to everyday visitors to Mar-a-Lago Resort. Prosecutors also say Trump shared a highly sensitive plan of attack against Iran to visitors at his golf club in New Jersey and was recorded on tape admitting it had not been declassified.
Our laws that protect national defense information are critical for the safety and security of the United States, and they must be enforced.
Federal investigators seized more than 300 records during a search of Mr. Trump's property last August. The criminal case against the former president stems from the 15-month effort by the federal government to retrieve records that he had at his Mar-a-Lago estate.
They come after me because now we're leading in the polls again by a lot, against Biden and against the Republicans by a lot.
Now, of course, this all comes as Trump continues his bid to once again become president of the United States, and he's already fundraising off of it. And part of the indictment actually details comments that Trump made back on the campaign trail in 2016, saying that he would enforce all laws concerning the protection of classified information and that no one will be above the law. Now, this criminal case is unrelated to the state charges leveled against him in April in New York. That indictment entails allegations of falsification of business records.
All right, good wrap up there for us, Ann. Thank you. Okay, Professor Rory Little from UC College of Law, San Francisco, is back with us to dig a little bit deeper into this. Oh, I've been looking forward to talking with you. You were a federal prosecutor for 7 years, an associate deputy attorney general in D.C. All right, let's talk about the special counsel and these charges. They have gravity. So what stands out to you the most as the most serious allegation?
To obstruct justice is really overwhelmingly powerful in this indictment. They've got surveillance video showing Trump's aide, who is a naval officer, moving boxes from room to room and place to place, and some of the boxes are spilled over with papers flowing on the floor. And then they've got Trump on tape saying to people, wow, look at this document. It's really impressive. But I got to tell you, it's classified. And I used to be able to declassify things, but I can't do that anymore. So he knows that he's handling classified documents, and he knows that he can't declassify them and that they're still classified. The conversations back and forth between Trump and some other people are remarkable, asking one of his lawyers effectively to choose the worst documents and kind of destroy them. It's an overwhelmingly powerful indictment. And I have to say, this would be a lay down winner for anybody who's a federal prosecutor. And it's only because it's former President Trump that there's any hesitation about this case whatsoever.
Okay, next question. What kind of threat, though, does this pose to national security with all of this information out there now?
Well, it's not clear that the information is out there in any sort of, they haven't been put on the internet or anything like that. It's going to be hard to do the trial in this case because they're still classified. So they'll have to have procedures to handle the classified documents. I don't think it's a big threat to national security other than the idea that somebody can leave the office of the president, take classified documents with them and start showing them to their friends and say, well, you can't do anything to me. So that's why this indictment was filed. You have to be able to prosecute people if they're going to mishandle classified information. We remember President Trump saying, lock her up, because Hillary Clinton allegedly didn't handle classified information correctly. Well, now we're going to hear the same thing.
All right, here's some questions, Rory, that I keep hearing people ask me, and I'm going to ask you because I'm not the expert you are. Okay, can a president be in jail and still hold office? Yes or no?
There's nothing that says they can't.
Okay. All right. Can a candidate run for president from jail?
There was a federal judge who was impeached. And before he was impeached, he was in jail and he collected his salary every day. And the same rules would apply here.
What would stop any hope of a presidential run in terms of legalities?
Well, Almost nothing. You'd have to say that he's impeached. Almost nothing.
Wow. All right.
The people get their choice in this sort of matter.
Yes.
If they want to vote for someone who's under indictment or even convicted, I guess nobody can stop them.
All right, Rory Little, thank you so much for your time once again. We will check back with you. Have a great weekend. We'll probably see you on Monday.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Okay.